Check this out. Mike is actually an insurance adjuster for a different company, and he had a terrible experience with an insurance company. It's so interesting hearing this perspective from someone that's inside the game that these insurance companies play, and I want to talk to you about that on today's The Dial of the Day. Mike writes in, as an insurance adjuster for another carrier, I can confidently say that if I treated my customers this way, I'd lose my job. Trust me, we know this feeling. The insurance company sent someone out when my roof was covered with 4 inches of snow. Later, they estimated the cost to replace just 6 shingles. I sent them photos of dozens of shingles on the ground and in the trees from the hailstorm and windstorm we had. After the snow melted, my contractor inspected the roof and found about 80% of the shingles were unsealed, cracked, or blown up. He concluded that the entire roof needed to be replaced. Yeah, I would agree. If there's 80% of the stuff that's having issues, a roof replacement is necessary. Having been ghosted since from the insurance company, I've sent 6 or 7 emails and called multiple times with no response. My roof will start leaking soon, given the current weather. This has been the worst experience ever. Yeah, Mike, you know, as an inside, probably desk or field adjuster for another insurance company, what they do, what their gameplay is, their game book is, the plays that they run, the interference that they run, all this other stuff that they're doing, right? When ultimately you just want them to pay the claim. And they're doing all sorts of crazy other stuff. Why? Well, it's because they don't want to pay the claim. And they're saying a bunch of stuff. 6 shingles versus 80%, like, who's right? Who's wrong? I haven't seen the roof, but I can tell you this. Contractors, yes, they want to get paid. But the majority of contractors that we work with as referral partners or people that just come into our sphere are legitimate and they want to do right by the insured. Simple as that. Why is the insurance company wanting to do right by the insured when the insured has been paying all these premiums, usually for years and years and years? I lived in my home for 15 plus years before I ever made an insurance claim. And they gave me the runaround. But guess what? They didn't know that I know what I know about what they do. So if you're in a situation where the insurance company is treating you unfairly, not fully and fairly paying your claim, if it's commercial, residential, industrial, whatever it might be, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us get involved and see what we can do to get your insurance company to fully and fairly pay your claim. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.